So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video basically I will be discussing about what are the things that you should buy or you should bring from your house and what all things are available in the campus or near the campus. So in this video I'll be covering each and everything because you guys have been called out to the campus. So I would suggest you to watch the video till the end because I'm going to cover each and everything. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, first let's start with the things you should need to buy from your home side only. That are the things not available here or that will not be like suitable to bring out the things from buy those things from here. So first thing is clothes. Talking about the clothes and the weather out here is day by day it's becoming a bit hotter now because in the time like 12:30 to 3 or 4 p.m. I should say it's the hottest time out here. So in keeping that in mind, you should be always wearing like the polo t-shirts, or if you're bringing the shirt also, only the cotton shirts are mandatory out here. I should prefer, not mandatory, but I would prefer that only because other than that I would not tell you to buy any other stuffs. Try to keep it a cool and like summer kind of thing only because it's quite hot here and humid also. So keep that in mind. Now talking about the next part, so it's gonna be the bed sheets. Yes guys, you need to at least have 4 pair of bed sheets at least, I should say, because that's better because in a week or within a week you will change two, and when it's an laundry takes the time of at least 3 to 4 days, so you need to have a backup of bed sheets. So try to keep that in mind. Now let's talk about the food items. So yeah, see guys, this plays a major role because when you don't want to go to the mess or you are fed up with the mess food and the shops are also closed, it's 9:30 p.m. because as that time the hostels also closes out. So at that particular time only your home food only plays the major role. So try to bring like the mixtures and biscuits, cookies, that kind of things are like surely help you, because when talking about my personal experience, we three stay over here and like when we don't want to go and we don't have any other option, we eat the food which we brought from our home only. So that's the best part. With that, if you're bringing the food, so that the mandatory thing is the crockery also. Yeah, you guys will be thinking like what's the use of crockery. So when you are like bringing out the food or you're ordering the food from like Domino's or any South Indian dish you are bringing out, any main course you are bringing out, so for that particular time you will be needing the crockery. So at least a pair of plate and a like basic crockery set you should bring out so that you can eat your food easily. Talking about the next part, so it's a laptop. Yeah guys, laptop is mandatory when you are like BTECH student. So and for this I would like to suggest a basic requirement, that is i5 Gen, and at least SSD should be mandatory because talking about my personal experience, SSD really helps you to run the heavy softwares out here, because when it comes to the HDD ones only, they lag a lot. So try to buy i5 and at least 10th gen. It should be like 10th gen at least plus SSD one. So now let's talk about the bag part. So like for carrying, so you can buy these kinds of bag. So yeah, these look decent also, and like it's mandatory to like carry the copies or the laptop part, so it plays a role. Yeah, I'm talking about the sleepers, so at least 1 or 2 pairs of sleepers you should bring because it's too hot and you can't wear shoes every time. So sleepers are mandatory out here because in the academic blocks, though they are not allowed, but after the academic hours you can easily roam wearing your sleepers. In addition to that, as I told you, shoes are mandatory. So shoes should be, at least you should bring 2 to 3 pairs of shoes because it gets dirty out here. So and in the rainy time also you need at least 2 or 3 pairs of shoes. So try to keep that in mind. Now the most major thing is this scientific calculator. It's mandatory out here because most of the exams you can easily use these scientific calculators to calculate the things. So bring the scientific calculator, though you can easily find out here also, but it's good if you buy those things from your home part also only. Locks should be guys bought up by you because, and see the thing is, you need to buy 2 locks. One is for the room. At least it should have 3 keys, so that if you are having a room partner also, you can share the keys with him or her, like whatever you guys are, like if you are female, so for that. For your almirah, you should be needing one lock. So lock is mandatory, and you should buy these from your home part also. One more thing is that the hangers for your clothes. So hanger should be brought up by you from your home, I guess, or you can also buy it from here also. But it's up to you from where you need to buy. Now let's talk about the things you should surely buy it from here only. First is the mattress. Mattress you can easily find out here inside the campus also. 2 or 3 shops are there. You can easily buy from them also, or else you can go to the Potheri and you can find out many shops. Big Save is the one who sells this kind of mattresses, and they give the hostel deliveries also. So you can directly approach them and you can directly pay them. You can just tell them the hostel block and other stuff, basic details, and they will be delivering you all the materials which you bought from them. Let's say the stationery items. I don't prefer you should buy here. All these kinds of stationery items can be bought out from your home part only. Talking about the third one, that is the bucket and the mug. You should buy it here. There is a big SRM general store. You can buy from there also. Big Save, where I told you can easily buy the things out from there also. Next is the dustbin. Dustbin is mandatory, so that also is available inside the campus, and as I told you, Big Save. You can buy anywhere you feel like. Last is the laundry bag. Yes guys, laundry bag also you can find out here. Rest is your choice, you need to buy or not. Most of them buy, many don't buy, so it's up to you. You need to buy a laundry bag or not. So guys, in this video I've covered each and everything, the basic requirements you should be requiring while coming to the hostel. So I hope this video was helpful and I tried to cover each and everything. So with this, I would like to end the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. And if you have any query related to SRM University or anything, you can directly comment us in the comment section, or you can approach us on our Instagram handle or as well as on our Telegram channel. So with this, stay safe. Bye guys.